Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning in June 20th to the 26th, 2022, using this kit from CaressPress called Tranquil, I believe. And I paired it with this foil bundle from CaressPress also in a matte gold because I thought it was a perfect match. And it is in the newer format. I think this came with a mystery kit from CaressPress, but I ended up using the blue hollow version for the kit that it came with. I of course color blocked because, you know, I'm obsessed with color blocking, and this color way matched the Cardi Plan's neutral colorway pretty well, so I managed to color match quite easily. I was down one box because I did a double box extender in the sidebar, so I had to pull in an extra box from an old SPC kit, and I tried to decorate it with some deco and a month box, and it doesn't look that good, but I'm not mad at it. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. I'm pretty much almost done with the base, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get on with the day by day. So in the sidebar, I marked that I had been locked for 1 month this week on Tuesday, so I used this giant sticker from Paper Dolls Co to note that, and then marks that it was the 18th week of my maternity leave, the Bella Plan LR sticker and a script from PMD Stickers. Started with Monday. I noted that Malik was 4 months this day with a baby sticker from Beneva's Creation, and Malik's is custom script from Adobe Gaming Designs and a 4-month script also from Adobe Gaming Designs. I then noted waking up early with this alarm clock sticker from the foil bundle to note that. I noted making some breakfast with this egg sticker from Carly Plans, which matched this green quite well. I noted giving Malik a bath with this munchkin sticker from Once More With Love and a bath script from the foil bundle. I noted taking some 8 months pictures with a camera sticker from Carly Plans. Then I noted going on a walk with this baggy sticker from Once More With Love and a walk script from Temp Loves Crafts. Since I didn't have enough bougie boxes, I had to do some like half cut header situation stuff inside of the extenders because this is obviously not a colour I had. Then I noted going to the post office with a box sticker from the kit to note that. It was super hot again this day, so I used a sand sticker from PMD Stickers to mark that. Then I noted getting some takeout with a burger sticker from Paper Candy Art and a takeout script from the foil bundle. I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from the foil bundle and a Plan With Me binge custom script from Make Plans, but this script is now in her shop, so you can just buy it without it being custom. I noted cuddling with Malik with a Malik Cuddle script from Kylie Plans and a sticker from Joy of Planning. Then noted having some family time with this Stick With the Plan Co family sticker and a family time script from Planner Face. I noted getting some Starbucks with a sticker from Lina Designs and a coffee orange script from the foil bundle. And then finally I noted watching Love Island with this popcorn sticker from Carly Plans and a binge watch script from the foil bundle. That was Monday for you. Moving on to Tuesday, I marked waking up early with this munchkin sticker, and then I noted getting some breakfast with this egg sticker again from Carly Plans. I noted recording a voiceover with this Olive Studio Olive and a voiceover script from Ice Cream Joe. I noted editing with an edit. I forgot what these things are called, but the icon is from the foil bundle and an edit script is from Planner Face. I noted uploading a plan with me with the upload munchkin and upload script from Planner Face. Then I noted editing the description and doing the thumbnail and all that stuff with a laptop icon from the foil bundle and a description script from Rounded Up Plans. Next, I noted cooking dinner with this PMB sticker girl with a chopping board and a cooked dinner script from Make Plans. I noted another Plan With Me binge with a planner sticker from Paper and Milk and a Plan With Me binge script from Make Plans. And then I noted some family time and watching TV with this Make Plans family custom sticker with like 3 of us on the couch, and a family time script from the foil bundle. I then noted watching shows with my husband, which was probably Love Island, with this popcorn sticker from Carly Plans, and I watched shows with Babe custom script from McPlans. Finally, I noted that it was super hot, and it was probably a really hot night, with the sun icon from PMD stickers. Moving on to Wednesday. At the top of Wednesday, I marked being tired AF with a pillow icon from Carly Plans and a tired AF script from Happy Sticker Designs. I do PR for Happy Sticker Designs, so use my code ADIA215 to get 15% off of your order. And also my freebie, she now has her own like standalone website away from Etsy, so you can shop there now. Then use this pan sticker from Carly Plans to note making breakfast. Then I noted cuddles with my baby with a PMD sticker and a Mallet Cuddles custom script from Carly Plans. I noted a Plan With Me binge with the sticker icon from the foil bundle, and a Plan With Me binge script from McPlans. I then noted doing some planning with this McPlans pig and a planner icon, and a planning session script from the foil bundle. I noted that Malik was in a bit of a mood with this crying baby sticker from Papershire and a moody Malik custom script from Adorably Amy Designs. I noted cooking again, I don't know why, with this pot sticker from Planner Face and a cooked dinner script from McPlans. And then finally I noted watching Love Island with this popcorn icon from Carly Plans. Moving on to Thursday. I started off the day cuddling my baby, so I used this McPlans mum and baby sticker. I then noted paying something off that was mortgage related with a card icon from the foil bundle. Sorry about the plane, hopefully you can't hear it. I then noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon for Paper and Milk. I then noted that Malik was moody again with the same Papershire crying baby and a moody Malik custom script from Adorably Amy Designs. I noted pulling some stickers with a Sweet Ever's paper Snowball the cat with like stickers and a pull sticker script from tJune. I noted filming a Plan With Me with this camera sticker from Olive Studio and a film Plan With Me script from Adorably Amy Designs. And then I noted that my husband was gaming with this McPlans duo, as I love to say, of the boy gaming and a J gaming custom script. And then finally noted watching Love Island with a TV icon from the kit and foil bundle. When I say that, that means that the icon was from the foil bundle, and I also overlaid it from the icon in the kit, which you can now do with the CaressPress new foil bundle. On to Friday, I noted more morning cuddles with this sticker from Joe Planning and a Cuddle Malik custom script from tJune. I noted that he took no naps this morning with a baby girl icon from the foil bundle. Next, I noted wearing him with this fox and cactus fox sticker, and then I noted being super duper tired with the bed sticker from Carly Plans and a tired AF script from Happy Sticker Designs. I noted filming another Plan With Me with another Olive Studio camera, and then I noted a Plan With Me binge with another Paper and Milk planner. Next, I noted doing some editing with this Munchkin sticker and an edit script from Planner Face. Then I noted that I lost some video files with a computer icon from the foil bundle. I noted recording some voiceovers with a Olive Studio sticker and a voiceover script from Ice Cream Joe. And then I noted my husband gaming with another controller sticker, well, boy with a controller sticker from McPlans and a J gaming script from McPlans. And then I noted Love Island with a popcorn sticker from Carly Plans. So on to Saturday, I marked being tired AF with a pillow icon from Carly Plans and a tired AF script from Happy Sticker Designs. I noted that Malik was with his dad with this Papershire sticker and Daddy Time script from Randy.Planned. Then noted that my husband went out with this McPlans boy head sticker. To note that, I noted cuddling with Malik with this PMD sticker of a mum and baby and a Cuddle Malik script from tJune. Noted him having some playtime with this sticker from, what is it called? Glam Planner, that's it. And then a playtime script from Planned. I noted another plan with my binge with a paper and milk planner. And I noted playing with stickers with the sticker sheet sticker from SBC, and then play with sticker script from Carly Planned. And then finally I noted that it was a lazy day with the slippers sticker from Carly Planned, and also lazy day script from Carly Planned. On Sunday I noted washing my hair with a hair wash gel from Pink Diamond Planico and a wash hair script from Stick with Planco. I then marked retying my hair, I think the first one, with this sticker from Carly Planned. I noted filming doing my hair with a camera icon from the kit and a film hair custom script from Adorably Designs. And then I marked getting some Starbucks with a takeaway cup from the foil bundle and a Starbucks run script from SBC. I then noted some family playtime with this family sticker from Fox and Cactus and a family playtime script from Carly Planned. I noted watching more Love Island with a popcorn sticker from Carly Planned. I noted watching something on Netflix, I don't know what it was, with a Netflix binge script from the foil bundle and a popcorn sticker from Paper Candy Art. And then finally I noted that I finished doing my hair at 2 a.m. with this alarm clock sticker from Temp Loves Craft. So that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below to let me know what you thought of this spread. And I'm going to show you what's left of the kit and a little bit of a wiggle, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.